Hi people, and today we're gonna unbox this music box. So it plays Brahms Lullaby. I don't know if I pronounced that wrong, but if I did, please leave a correction in the comments. So let's get unboxing. So I got the box open, so now we're gonna go take the device out. Well, technically it's a bullshitting. Let's just get it out. We have to do it softly, or else we have to buy a new one. If we go on me. I'm gonna take the rest out, but not in the video. See in a little bit. So I got the music box out. So I'm gonna start playing the music right now. And as I said earlier, it's Brahms Lullaby. And again, if I mispronounce it, a correction thing in the comments. So let's play the song. Sorry. So that was just the song inside. Well, that plays it. Sorry if I did any pauses because it's meant for you to use two hands on the item and then play it. So sorry if there's any pauses. Other than that, hope you have a nice day. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.